Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to show you how to select multiple items instead of just one particular type. One type could be the name of it, such as the actual type of element like div, span, paragraph, image for example, or an ID, which is what I've got here, or a class. Imagine if all elements that have, I don't know, let's say two different classes, they could be mixture of IDs, classes, or any other type of selector. Let's say if they have two different classes, actually HW is fine. The HW is fine. And let's say if this doesn't have the epic class, one of the reasons you might not, the epic class might have certain styling, and maybe we only want that styling on divs, for example, but we want the same code to be triggered when we click. So let's just say awesome click, and I do change this here as well. Save that. If I reload, click that, it triggers or it pumps out awesome click, pumps it out. Put space there, reload. As you can see, they are all working great now. But imagine if the code inside of each selector was quite complex, with complex algorithm. You were sending data to a database, getting that back, processing it. Could be potentially 20-30 lines of code, and you don't want to be duplicating it 2, 3, 4 more times when you can actually just select multiple items. And the way you do that is very simple. You put comma, the other type of item that could trigger this piece of code using a click event. So .epic class, for example. And if I just delete this, and to prove that the actual code is submitting, I'm gonna say awesome click 2.0, reload, and if I click that, awesome click 2.0, awesome click 2.0, and awesome click 2.0, this was just going up slowly. So as you can see, even though all of them didn't have a common class, and this one just had an ID, we was able to select all of them to trigger a specific, in this case only one line of code, but it could be multiple lines of code between these curly braces using the multiple items selector. That's how you select multiple items. Really simple. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.